This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Troy Hensley. Are you looking to be minutes from shopping, downtown Eustis and major highways? If you are, then this move-in ready-to-one is for you. This half-duplex features a large indoor laundry room, ceramic tile throughout, spacious bedroom, plenty of storage, a large galley kitchen and a large screened-in porch area. This property backs up to a small waterway that runs into Trout Lake and is in walking distance to Lake Eustis. For more information, review the details below.